Fractionating cipher. Fractionating is a method splitting letters so that each plaintext letter is represented by two or more symbols. For example, A could be represented by 1, B by 2, and so on. Encrypt a plain text message. Flee at once. We get 06120505012015140305 as our ciphertext. Clearly, this is a simple key, and we can use a more complex cipher alphabet. This makes the message harder to break. However, we will still only use a simple monoalphabetical substitution. It is still susceptible to frequency analysis, but rather than looking at individual digits, we look at pairs or digraph. In our ciphertext, the most frequent digraph is 05, which appears 3 times and thus represent E. So fractionation has made our substitution a little bit more secure. But it is still vulnerable, and that is stage most definitely less secure than the polyalphabetical cipher. However, fractionation is a useful tool to help make other cipher, namely transposition cipher, much more secure. We already looked at combining a monoalphabetic substitution with a transposition cipher. And when we use a fractionation method in a substitution, it turned out to be even more secure. Now, let's try a columnar transposition. On the original ciphertext using keyword apple, we can the grid below. Now, if we try to decipher this message with the cipher alphabet above, we start fine until we get 50 and 60, which are not available. This method has turned a plain text of 10 letters into a ciphertext of 20 digits, which we have jumbled up so it cannot be undone without transposition. This is the power of fractionating method. It allows us to not only pull apart word like a normal transposition, but actually pull apart the individual letter of a message. It also allows us to represent a set of letters with a smaller set of characters, in this case the 26 letters, and represent by 10 digits.